Let's make some no-bake cookies. Into a pot, you're going in with half a cup of butter, half a cup of milk, half a cup of cocoa powder, and 2 cups of sugar. I already started. Stir that until bring it to a boil. Be sure to stir constantly so it doesn't stick or burn to the bottom. I got my helper with me today. So much concentration. Stir it, baby, stir it. Oh, stir it. Oh, stir me. Thank you. Oh.
This is why we don't bake together.
Did you hear that? We're getting baked together after. Oh, yeah, stir me. Once it starts to boil like this, remove from the heat. Add in 3 cups of quick oats and 1 cup of shredded coconut. Once you get that dumped in, just fold it all together. This is a double batch, that's why I got so much. You should have something like this. And just let it sit for a minute or 2 to let them oats cook. Then we'll get our ice cream scoop and a parchment lined counter. My oats actually sat here for about 8 minutes before they were cooked. So leave them as long as you think until they're cooked to your desired taste. Now we're going to take a scooper. Oh baby, scoop it. Ooh. And on to the parchment paper. Scoop me! Holy bananas. This is only going to make 5 cookies. You get the point. We'll come back. And now you got them all scooped out. Just let them sit in room temperature until they harden up. Probably 45 minutes, I'd say.
Why are you videoing me?
I don't really think you need a 5-inch cookie. But anyway.
I like them big.
We know. Alright, it's been about 45 minutes. Let's try out this little fella. Get that in you. That's good. If you like this video and want to see more, hit that like, hit that follow, leave a comment.